Hey everyone, SCRC 401 First Officer, aka Johnny, was just here visiting. He's taking off, and I'm telling him he can't make it up that hill at such slow speeds. Let's see. You can't hardly see that, can you? Look at that, look at that. He'll burn his tires clear out before he gets to the top. I'm walking side the road here for when he starts going backwards. What can you see, people? You see this? He's making headway, but he's going slow. I'll pause this and we'll catch up and see what happens in a little bit. I don't know, peeps. He's making a lot of smoke, I mean. Yeah, he's almost to the top up there. I don't know, he might make it, but I'm gonna move just in case he don't. Uh-oh, he just stopped. I see the reverse lights come on. This is where it gets good. I'm gonna have to move way out of the way. All right. He's coming down. He's going down here. He's gonna hit the building. There he is, up against the building. He's pulling her out somehow. Well, I'll be. If he gets out of here, I don't know. He might make it. Let me help him out a little. Okay. He's gonna make another attempt. I still don't think he's got enough speed. I don't think he's got enough speed. Oh boy. He stalled out. It's trying to slide down the hill, not on the road. Uh-oh, he's gonna get his front end in front of his back, and that's not good. Uh-oh. Smartest thing to do now is call another truck in or something. I've got an idea. Yeah, I'll have to shut you tubes off here. Just can't really tell on here how precarious a situation this truck here is in. But she is about to go down over a very steep embankment. You really can't tell. That sucks. But I don't know what's holding it on there, John. I wouldn't go on that side of the truck.
I'm not. I'm scared you open that door, she's gonna go.
Yeah.
That's all I could do to get out.
Will the first officer's truck make it up over the hill? Will it fall down? Will John make it out alive? Tune in to the link below to see the conclusion on the first officer's channel.